Hello my dear friends, so how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I am talking about the Big Bash League match number 27 which is playing between Adelaide Tigers versus Perth Scorcher. So this match is playing on 5th January at 1:45 pm. So first of all we will look the points table situation of both of teams because this is the major factor of points table situation where Perth Scorcher played 5 matches where he registered 4 match win in their teams, but Adelaide Strikers played 6 matches, but he win only 1 matches in point in this series. So this is a very critical situation of Adelaide Strikers, and Perth Scorcher is going up very good form in this series. So first of all, we will talk about guys the pitch and conditions of both of this venue. So this match is playing at Adelaide Oval, Adelaide at Australia. If you talk about the pitch report, this is totally balanced pitch. A total 18 matches have been playing in this venue where 9 matches play batting first and 8 matches won bowling first in this venue. If you talk about the average score is 153 in this venue, and winning the toss and bowling first would be right decision in this venue according to pitch and conditions. So guys, this is totally about pitch and conditions. Let's move ahead and talk about the head to head comparison of both of teams. So total 22 matches have been played of both of teams where Adelaide Strikers won 10 matches and Perth Scorcher won 12 matches in head to head comparison. So guys, head to head comparison, if you talk about the head to head comparison, so Perth Scorcher is much more stronger than Adelaide Strikers in this series and all over the head to head conditions. So guys, let's talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. First of all, we will talk about the Adelaide Strikers possible playing 11. So where Matthew Sod and Darcy Sod probably open the inning. Chris Lynn will come on first down. Adam Hose, Tom Scully, Jamie Overton and James Bazley will handle the middle order of Adelaide Tigers, although Harry Nissan will also handle the middle order. Cameron Boise, Henry Thornton and David Payne will handle the bowling attack from Adelaide Tigers. So guys, this is probably possible playing eleven of Adelaide Tigers. Let's move ahead and talk about the opponent team, which is Perth Scorcher possible playing 11 where Jack Cowley and Sam Whiteman probably open the inning. Aaron Hardy will come on first down. Josh Inglis, Lurie Evans, Copper Conley, Aston Agar will handle the middle order of Perth Scorcher. Jay Richardson, Andrew Ty, Jason Bendrop and Lance Morris will handle the bowling attack of Perth Scorcher. So guys, this is totally possible playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips, which is more beneficial to create your fantasy tips. Looking by the pitch behavior, picking top order batsman would be crucial here. You can pick top order batsmen in your fantasy team like Matthew Sod, Darcy Sod, Aaron Hardy. They are the major factor in your fantasy teams, and death over bowlers are always excellent wicket taker and they can change game anytime, any situations. So you can pick the top or death over bowlers, which is Jason Bendrop, S. Thornton, which is a more crucial in last matches. Lance Morris is also a great choice of your death over bowler bowling sections. In wicket keeping sections, both our wicket keeper are good, but I am prepared Josh Inglis in wicket keeping section. So in wicket keeping section, you can pick Josh Inglis as I am picking in my fantasy team. So pacers play major role in this venue. You can pick pacers in your fantasy team. So guys, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup fantasy teams. Adelaide Tigers versus Perth Scorcher. From the wicket keeping sections, I am picking Josh Inglis. In batting sections, I am picking Chris Lynn. I am going from 4 all-rounder where JV Overton, Matthew Sod, Darcy Sod and Aaron Hardy. This is my combination. I'm also going for 5 bowlers where Jason Bendrop, Andrew Ty, David Payne, S. Thornton and Lance Morris. This is my bowling sections combination. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team where my captain choice is Matthew Sauce and vice captain choice is Aaron Hardy. You can also give a chance to Jason Bendrop and Ois Thornton in your Gaelic and make your best combination for your fantasy teams. So guys, meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.